Hi friends, today we are going to solve alternating characters from the string manipulation subsection of the interview preparation kit. So the basic problem statement states that a string would be given and we have to make sure that the subsequent values of the string are not the same. So if there is a same value in the string, means so subsequent characters have the same value, then remove one of them. So this is a basic idea. So to do that, we will have to first just you have to make sure not remove them but have to count how many subsequent values are present there. So you could also remove them, but I think counting would make it much more easier, and here you return number of substrings that you're going to remove. So you have to provide the numbers, not the entire string once it's been removed. So to do that, first I will write one value. So previous, and previous will contain s.0 count, so how many characters have we removed from that string. And now we'll be writing a for loop for I in range 0 to length of s. It should be 1 if s dot I equal to prev, then count plus equal to 1, and prev will become s dot I, and at last we'll be returning count. Very simple problem. So let me give you an example how we are doing it. For the example of AAA, so the value is A. So first our prev value would be A. First our value is A and our count value is 0. So we'll be looping it from the section of from 1 to end. So from AAA, we'll be looping through from AAA. So during the first loop, we'd be checking whether, say this is S, so S dot 1 is equal to A or not. So S dot 1 is A, so A equal to A. So we would be increasing the count value to 1. Similarly, the next step is S dot 2 with S dot 2 equal to, and at last once this is done, so it would be incrementing prev to S dot 1, which is going to be A. This is the basic idea. So in the next case also we'll be checking S dot 2 is whether it is equal to, means equal to the previous one, which is true, and similarly we would be looping it and increasing the value of S dot 2 equal to A, and would be increasing the count value to 2. Similarly S dot 3 is A, and S dot 3 is similar to the previous value, which is A. So it is similar, so we'll be increasing the count value to 3, and we'll be making prev value to 3. So this is the basic idea, very simple code. So let's run it. I think it will give the correct answer. Yeah, and let's submit the code. Pretty straightforward. So thanks for watching this video, and please comment below to share if you have a better way of solving the same problem. And as always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.